friends, welcome back to our channel.
Hello everyone! Today we are starting a brand new session.
We're so excited for this. Please, please, please let us know how helpful these episodes are for you in the comments below.
Absolutely. Your feedback helps us make better content for you.
So why are we doing this? Well, we know many of us want to speak but just don't get enough words to express ourselves.
That's so true. And you know what? Words are like ingredients.
Yes, the more ingredients you have,
The more delicious food you can make.
exactly. But learning these ingredients can sometimes be, well, a little boring.
But our episode is not going to be like the others.
Something different? Can you clarify a bit more?
Gladly. We are not just going to list words. We are going to learn from a life story.
Oh, that sounds amazing. And tell me a bit more?
Through amazing tiny stories. These little stories will help us remember the words for a long, long time.
And the best part? It will be fun. Definitely not boring.
So, are you ready to learn 5 new words in a whole new way?
So, the first word that we are going to learn is since then. This is a phrase and we will learn how to use it in our English.
Hi, Ellen. Wow, long time no see. How have you been?
Honestly, Robinson, not great. My coffee machine broke last month.
Oh no, that's terrible. You love your coffee.
You have no idea. It was a disaster. Since then, my mornings have been a struggle. I'm tired all day. I've spent a small fortune buying coffee from cafes. I've even tried to make it in a pot, like a caveman.
A caveman? Really? Why don't you just buy a new one?
Well, since then, I've also been trying to save money. So it's a constant battle between my need for caffeine and my empty wallet.
You're a mess, Ellen. Let's order. My treat. Maybe a good coffee will help you think clearly again.
You are a lifesaver. Honestly, it's the best thing that's happened to me since that machine broke.
So, welcome back, my friends. Did you notice how we used since then in our conversation? I hope it was easy for you to understand.
Now, let's see what the exact meaning of since then is. It means from that time until now. We usually use it when we're talking about something that started in the past and is still true in the present.
Since then is used with the present perfect tense to talk about something that started in the past and is still going on. For example, I learned about his art in high school, and since then I have loved Picasso.
Now it's your turn, my friends. Don't just watch the video. Practice. Try to make your own sentences with since then. You can write them in the comments, and I'll check them for you.
So, Ellen, let's move on to our next word, accomplish.
Accomplish. What does it mean exactly? Can you explain it to us?
Of course, why not? Accomplish means to successfully achieve something after putting in effort.
That's clear. So it's like finishing or achieving something important. It's often used for goals, tasks, or missions that take effort.
Ellen, over here. You look like you just won the lottery. What's going on?
Robinson, hi. I feel like I have. I just came from the community center. After 6 long months, I finally did it.
Did what? You have to tell me now.
I accomplished my goal. I finished the entire community gardening project. We just planted the last tree today. Look, they even gave us a certificate.
That's amazing. Congratulations. I remember you telling me about that. It was a huge project.
It was. There were days I thought we wouldn't accomplish anything. We had problems with the soil, then the weather, but we kept going. And now we've accomplished what we set out to do. The neighborhood looks beautiful.
I'm so impressed. You must be so proud. You didn't just talk about it, you actually accomplished it.
I really am. It shows that if you work hard, you can accomplish anything. What's something you've accomplished lately, Robinson?
Well, after hearing your story, my goal of organizing my bookshelf seems a little small. But I did accomplish that last weekend. It feels great.
All right, everyone, let's move on to our next word. Well, it's actually a phrasal verb, get on.
That's right. Friends, do you know how to use get on in your English?
There are many uses of this word, and it's very useful. We use it very often in our real English conversations.
Now, let's see the first way to use get on in our English, to board a vehicle. For example, I need to get on the train before it leaves.
Perfect. Let's understand this with a tiny story.
Ellen, hey, you look like you're in a huge hurry.
Robinson, hi. I am. I overslept. I absolutely cannot miss this bus. I need to get on this bus now or I'll be late for my job interview.
Oh no. Well, breathe. The bus will be here any second. You'll get on just in time.
I hope so. I saw my friend get on the earlier bus and she said it was packed. I just hope there's still room.
For now, learning just this one use of get on is enough. Don't worry, we'll explore the other meanings very soon in our next lesson.
Now, the next word that we are going to learn is chattering.
Oh, chattering. What does it mean? And how can we use it in our English?
Well, native speakers use chattering a lot. It has two main meanings: talking quickly and continuously, usually about unimportant things, the sound your teeth make when you're really cold.
Great! Let's understand both of these with two tiny stories. Ellen, wow, what's going on? Your friends can't stop talking.
Haha, I know. They've been chattering away since morning about the school trip. Honestly, I can't get a single quiet moment.
Well, that's what excitement does. When people are really happy, they just keep chattering.
Exactly. It's like endless talking, usually fast and full of energy. Brr, Robinson, it's freezing. Listen, my teeth are actually chattering.
Oh no, I can hear them. You should have worn a warmer scarf.
I know. When it's super cold, your teeth just won't stop chattering.
So friends, there you go. Two ways to use chattering. People chattering when they talk a lot, and teeth chattering when it's cold.
Well done, my friends. If you're still watching till now, that means you are really serious and passionate about your English. I'm sure you'll be fluent one day. Just keep going.
Exactly. And now, the next and the last word that we are going to learn today is emboldened. Do you know what it means?
Emboldened means to feel more confident, brave, or encouraged to do something, especially something you might not normally do.
That's right. When someone is emboldened, they feel stronger and ready to take action.
Let's understand this with a tiny story. Robinson, I really don't want to speak in front of the class. I'm too shy.
Come on, Ellen. You've practiced so much. You can do this.
Well, after your encouragement, I feel a little emboldened. Maybe I'll give it a try.
Yes, that's the spirit. You're emboldened by practice and support, and that makes all the difference.
That was like my first foray into doing my own thing. And it was successful, and I raised money for my charity, and it was great. So then that emboldened me to do other things. I'm like, okay, I've done that, now what? When I was 35 and my Revlon contract was up, it was kind of like, if I'm going to do my own thing, this feels like the right time.